Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to start with a new chapter, that is your chapter number 3, okay, of term 1. So, the chapter name of the chapter is Paying Bank, okay. So, in this chapter, you all are going to see what do you mean by paying banker, that is introduction, precautions in payment of customers' check, paying bankers' duties and right, statutory protections to paying bankers, पेमेंट ऑफ फॉर चेक एंड रिटर्न ऑफ चेक. ओके, सो इतना सारा हम लोग आज के क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. ओके, सो हियर व्हाट डू यू एक्चुअली मीन बाय पेइंग बैंक ना. जिस अभी देखो, बैंक कब पे करता है? व्हेन वी इशू चेक. ओके, जब हम लोग चेक इशू करते हैं तो बैंक क्या करता है? पेमेंट करता है. सो हियर पेइंग बैंकर इज अ बैंकर. ओके, इज अ बैंक ऑन हुम द चेक इज ड्रॉन. जो चेक है जिसके नाम के ऊपर वो ड्रॉ किया है, उस चेक का पेमेंट करना बैंक का काम रहता है. ओके, सो हियर दैट बैंक इज नोन एज पेइंग बैंकर. सो पेइंग बैंकर इज अ बैंकर on whom the check is drawn, okay, and should pay the check when it is presented for payment. Okay, so here a banker is bound to honor his customer's check to the extent of the fund available and existence of no legal bar for payments. Okay, जब कस्टमर क्या करता है? चेक इशू करता है कि मुझे पेमेंट दीजिए इस चेक के ऊपर, तो बैंक शुड बी एबल टू पे द चेक अमाउंट. सो हियर जब वो लोग पेमेंट करते हैं, जब बैंक पेमेंट करता है, सो बैंकर जो है दे हैव टू टेक रीजनेबल केयर, बिकॉज नाउ इट इज़ व्हाट मैनी फॉर्जरीज आर टेकिंग प्लेस. ओके, एंड बैंक इज ऑलवेज रिलेटेड विद द मनी टर्म्स. ओके, सो हियर मनी के रिलेटेड जब कोई भी व्यवहार होता है तो उसको बहुत केयरफुली उनको पेमेंट करना है. सो पेइंग बैंकर शुड ऑलवेज यूज रीजनेबल केयर एंड negligence in the paying of checks so as to attain the action likely to damage his customer's credit. Okay, so they should take almost full precautions while paying the amount. So let's see what are the precautions that a banker should take while payment of the customer's check. Okay, so precautions in payment of customers check. Okay, so here the negotiable instrument act जो है it defines a check but not in a prescribed form. Okay, nor it does not require that check should be drawn on the printed form issued by the bank. Okay, so here bank when they are doing the payment, okay, should take almost all the precautions, okay, while paying to their customers. Okay, so here when the check is presented by the customers to the bank, okay, so there can be many that forgery can take place. So to safeguard the interest of the bank, so to give the customers to keep the image of the bank, okay, in the customers view, so this banker should take almost all the cares and precautions. Okay, so that is first one is open or cross check. Okay, the first thing banker should do what is when the check is payment के लिए काउंटर के उधर प्रेजेंट किया जाता है, he should see whether the check is open check or cross check. So in case of cross, okay, one then other, okay, so here they should do what? They should first see the holder should be asked to present it through banker, okay, when it is a cross check. So it's specially cross the banker जिसके जहाँ पे क्रॉस किया हुआ है, that person should be there while presenting the check. Okay, so here bank, what they do when it is a cross check, bank act as an agent. Okay, so if banker honors just check for by paying to it to the person other than the banker over the counter, okay, the true owner may require the bank to pay him. Okay, such damages it may sustain by the banker's action, negotiable instrument act 1881 section 129. Okay, so they first should see whether the check is a open check or a cross check. Second one is whether the check is drawn on particular office at which it is presented. Okay, तो फर्स्ट सेकंड बात क्या है, जहाँ पे चेक का नाम है ओके वो चेक उसी बैंक को रिलेट करता है या नहीं वो पहले चेक करना है. तो सेकंड थिंग दैट शुड बी एग्जामिन्ड इज व्हाट द बैंकर शुड सी वेदर द चेक इज ड्रॉन अपॉन पर्टिकुलर ब्रांच or the office of the bank at which it is presented. Okay, because if there is no branch no office, then one at which the customer has his account is required to meet at that point. Okay, so here for पहले क्या करना है, they have to check whether it is open check or cross check. Second thing, they have to see whether the check is drawn on that particular branch, whether that person has come to a same branch or a same office. That thing they have to check. Okay, so here suppose in case okay if the customer is visiting another city and he applies his bank to authorize its branch or agent in the place to be visited to cash that customer's check okay upon a agreed limit, the bank has no matlab suppose if that person is there, if he is traveling to another city and he requests that in that city they can make the payment, so bank has no object over that. Okay, such request should be the payment should be done only when the specimen signature of the customer is sent to the branch or the agent concerned. Okay, third thing is mutilated check. Okay, the third thing is one mutilated check. तो यहाँ पे उनको क्या करना है, next thing they have to see is whether the check is not mutilated check. Okay, so यहाँ पे third thing उनको क्या करना है, when the check is presented okay before honoring the check, मतलब उसका जब पेमेंट करने से पहले bank has to see whether the check is not mutilated, cancelled or torn. Okay, if the banker honors the check which is torn by the customer okay in such जब ऐसी केस आता है then they have to present some proof okay a sufficient proof on his intention to cancel it. Okay, so banker cannot debit the customer's account with the amount of the check okay but check is torn accidentally, then drawer must confirm it by writing accidentally torn by me and affix a signature. Okay, जब accidentally चेक अगर टूट जाता है, अगर कट जाता है, फट जाता है, तो वहाँ पे उन्होंने लिखना चाहिए कि चेक की एक्सीडेंटली टोन कट हो गया तो और वहाँ पे सिग्नेचर करना चाहिए. ओनली देन इट शुड बी प्रेजेंटेड फॉर पेमेंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज correctness of form. Okay, the banker next thing they have to do is what, should make himself sure that the instrument is drawn in a proper form. Okay, मतलब it should be duly date, वहाँ पे date लेना चाहिए, the fully confirmed should be there when it is presented to him, to the legal definition of the check. So no difficulty should arise when the customer uses the printed form for the supplied to him. Okay, so here when the check is given okay to the customers, that he should see whether the check is in a proper form or not. If it is not, then there should not be payment, should not be done. Okay, if the check has been drawn on the ordinary slip of paper okay, the paying banker should do what, he should take almost all the precaution and he should not consider it as a conditional order. Okay, when the proper form, अभी देखो चेक जो है वो proper form में print होके आते हैं, हर एक बैंक का different रहता है. Okay, the format will be same but the design pattern will be different, so it should be on that printed form only, it should not be on any other slip and all. Okay, next is risk of honoring post dated or stale check. Okay, the next thing is what, the when the check is honored for presented for payment okay, then the check should not be post dated or not stale one. Okay, if the check is in the post dated form okay, post dated मतलब already उसका date आगे का है okay, it is not on the present date. Okay, so then they should see what, the customer may stop payment before the due date of of the check, or in case banker has honored before that date, the banker may lose his money. Okay, so that should be taken care. Okay, if the banker pays post dated check before it is due date and holds it until the mature, the customer may, it is meantime become insolvent, insane, or die. Okay, so in such case banker would have no right to debit the amount to the customer's account. Okay, when it is a post dated check. So the banker paying the post dated check cannot claim statutory protection, as payment cannot be regarded as having been made in due course. Okay, so that precaution should be taken while पोस्ट डेटेड चेक, मतलब चेक देने से अगर वो पोस्ट डेटेड चेक है तो इतने सारे उनको प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नॉट हॉनर्ड, बिकॉज इफ़ दैट पर्सन डाइज देन बैंकर हैज़ टू पे द लॉस. ओके, अगर कस्टमर जो है उन्होंने पेमेंट करना स्टॉप किया तो लॉस किसको होगा? बैंक को होगा. सो इवन स्टैट्यूटरी क्लेम्स cannot claim statutory protections. Okay, because it is a post dated check. So it is equally essential for the paying banker to see that the check presented is not stale. Okay, that is out of date. Stale matlab out of date. The check when it is stale, okay, it has been circulation for an unreasonably longer period of time, तो banker has to regard as a stale check. Okay, अगर वो बहुत दिन से ऐसे पड़ा है, then it is known as a stale check. So when it has been outstanding for more than 6 months, the stale check may be honored by the drawee bank after getting it confirmed by the drawer. Okay, इतने सारे precautions उनको लेने हैं when it is a post dated check or a stale check. नेक्स्ट इज व्हेन द अमाउंट इन वर्ड्स एंड फिगर्स डिफरेंट. नेक्स्ट थिंग, बैंक को चेक करना है कि जो वर्ड लिखा, अगर 15,000 लिखा है इन वर्ड्स एंड फिगर्स में अगर 1,500 लिखा है, सो इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. ओके, सो हियर दे शुड first match the words, that is amount in words and amount in figures. Okay, so amount payable should be absolutely certain, and unless the instrument possess that it requisites, okay, it cannot be regarded as a valid check. Okay, तो सारे जो उनके requisites है वो अगर वो fulfill होते हैं तो ही वो check क्या होता है? It is a proper check. So first thing, the next thing they have to do it was they have to match whether whatever words are amount is there in words and amount which is there in figures should be matched. Okay, only then it can be made presented for payment. नेक्स्ट इज नॉट टू पे आउट ऑफ द बैंकिंग आवर्स. ओके, सो बैंक के जो आवर्स रहते हैं, ओके, उसके आफ्टरवर्ड्स या बिफोर बैंक स्टार्ट होने से पहले अगर कुछ पेमेंट किया, देन इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली व्हाट यू कॉल्ड आउट ऑफ द स्टैट्यूटरी रिक्वायरमेंट्स. ओके, सो द बैंकर इज रिक्वायर्ड टू हॉनर द चेक ड्रॉन ऑन हिम और प्रोवाइडेड दे आर प्रेजेंटेड ऑन वर्किंग डेज और ड्यूरिंग द बैंकिंग आवर्स. ओके, so here banker should not be supposed to suspend the business operation as soon as the clock strikes, okay, the closing hour. It is noted that by the banker that while making payment of check at the office hour, there is a risk that drawer may stop payment of the check in the next morning. So if the check is paid after office hours on the previous day, the banker is likely to be held liable for the drawer for the amount of check. So if it is cannot be recovered from the pay, so that's why they say what the it should be paid before the banking hours. नेक्स्ट इज चेक विथ मटीरियल अल्टरेशंस. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, द चेक व्हाट हैपन्स, द अमाउंट ऑन विच हैव बीन probably altered for a larger or a smaller sum need to be paid without their confirmation, okay, by the drawer. That means in other words the check contains mandate that the drawer, मतलब कुछ भी अगर changes किए हो तो वहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए, there should be the signature of the person who had made the changes. Okay, that means the person who has drawn the check, that person should sign on it. Okay, so अगर उसके signatures नहीं है then the bank should not pay the amount. So here material alterations are what? Alterations of the date of the check okay, by altering the date of a fraudulent holder can secure payment of the post dated check or stale check which banker is not authorized to make, so that is known as material alterations. okay, so यहाँ पे date अगर उन्होंने change किए तो next alteration of the place of payment. okay, next is alteration of the amount of check. Next, alteration in the name of the parties or relationship between them or affecting their legal status. okay, next, substitutions of the word bearer in place of order in the check. okay, next, then alteration of crossing on the check. so, ये सारे क्या है, material alterations है. okay, so here if any alteration does not affect the mandate of the drawer or the position of the parties materially or significantly, so यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे उनको पता नहीं रहता है. दिस कैन बी डन आफ्टर द चेक इज इशूड. सो क्रॉसिंग ऑन द ओपन चेक बाय द होल्डर, दैट इज ऑल्सो मटेरियल ऑल्ट्रेशन. नेक्स्ट इज